Hi. All right, so we're doing Chapter 3 review, and then you have a test. So Chapter 3, remember, it was where you had an expanded form. So you had 98, so you put 90, and then you put 8, and then you drew the 10 bars, and then you wrote what is 1 more than, what is 1 less than. That's the same thing. And then Chapter 3 test is going to be the same thing. So this is all just review and then the test. Your mom cannot tell you the answers, but she can help you read the questions if you need help. That is your spelling or your math test. And then we're switching into time. So first we're going to start with the time to the half hour. So this one is like, there's a little story that goes with this. You read the front, and then on the back here is the first part talking about how Matt goes from one place to another and how much time he needs. And then we're going to do time to the half hour. So first you're going to figure out how many minutes go around. So it's 5, 10, 15, 20, going all the way around to 60. There are how many minutes in an hour? 60. How many minutes in a half hour? 30. And then you're going to tell me whether it's o'clock or half past, which is 30. Same thing here on the back. So that's the beginning of Chapter 4. And then we're talking about elapsed time. The word elapsed means that it's already happened. How long has it taken for something to happen? So the elapsed time from one time to another is when things have gone on for a long time. So for example, if you have a boy eating lunch, is he going to eat lunch at 11:30? Is it going to be a.m. or p.m.? What's the time? And then the next one is, so if you leave at a certain time and you get there somewhere at a certain time, what's the difference of the time in between? And that's how you're going to figure out your elapsed time, how much time has gone from one place to another. So like here we have this practice begins at this time, and then he leaves at this time. How much elapsed time is there? I think you'll be able to handle it. I don't think it's going to be too bad. But if you needed a clock or something like that, just let us know. Because then remember that the long hand is the minutes and the shorthand is the hours. So when the shorthand is pointing at something, so the shorthand right now is pointing at 8. So 8 is the answer. And then 60, that's o'clock. Then we're going to the half hour. You see how the 8... Oh, I'm sorry. That I'm backwards, though. So you're at 8 o'clock, right? And then you go around here, and then look. Do you see how this is in between the 8 and the 9? But because we haven't gone all the way around, it's still 8 o'clock. 8:30. It's half past 8 now. My computer is backwards. It's a mirror thing, and I was confusing myself. All right, and then the worksheet that we're doing today, the boys are doing with me today, is time to the 5 minutes. Where did I put your piece in? Here we go. Time to the 5 minutes. So we're starting here. So we're going to go all the way to the 5. Now we're going to jump every 5 minutes. So we've got, starting here, 5, 10, 15, 20. So this is going to be 8:20. Do you see that? Counting around. So here, this is in between the 1 and the 2. So you're going to go towards the 1. You're going to use the 1, and then you count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So we're looking at 1:40. So you're going to figure out by jump counting by 5s. And we've already practiced that. We practiced counting by 5s last week, so that shouldn't be too bad. And then the same thing here, again, more elapsed time. You left at what time? What time did you get there? And then here's some review. So those are your math worksheets. Let me know if you have any questions. Time is a little bit hard, but you can get it. You can do it. Alrighty, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.